I'm so excited to announce that I'm working on a cookbook. I've been dying to talk about this for so long. It's been a blast. I've actually been working on it for the last couple of years in the hopes that I would have a cookbook deal, and so it's finally come true, and I'm so excited. It's going to be a reflection of how I eat on a daily basis. I think with everything in your life, diet is all about balance. So I eat healthy 80% of the time, and the other 20% I indulge, I enjoy it, I have fun eating whatever I want. It's coming out in the spring 2018, so it's actually kind of a while, but it's going to be very light and fresh using real wholesome ingredients. It's a lot of protein, it's a lot of veggies, a lot of beans and those kind of sides. There's butter in it, real butter, limited dairy, however. It's almost gluten-free. There's a couple pasta dishes made with brown rice pasta, a lot of desserts. I have a huge sweet tooth. I just use better ingredients. So I use pure maple syrup. I'm using spelt flour or oat flour, those kinds of things. I essentially eat whatever I want, but I just use better ingredients.